Question: would you invest in a mobile home? My answer is yes. So I'm adding my first mobile home to my real estate portfolio. I'm in the process of currently rehabbing a mobile home, and I highly suggest that you consider adding mobile homes to your real estate portfolio. So here is the mobile home that I am rehabbing, and this will be a future rental and part of my real estate portfolio. So you can see that we are doing a complete rehab. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath mobile home. So you have the master bedroom, then you have the bathroom off the hall, and then you have your second bedroom. So again, the question was, would you invest in a mobile home? My answer is yes. This is a great way to add additional real estate to your real estate portfolio. Now, if I was to purchase this particular mobile home used and move-in ready, the prices would start around $45,000. So I can actually come here and invest about $20,000, which would include my HVAC, my septic tank, and I can get this home rehab for half the amount of purchasing a used move-in ready mobile home. If you have a chance to invest in a mobile home, it is a great investment and a great addition to your real estate portfolio. I hope this information was helpful. If you found it beneficial, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is Al. Until the next video, I will talk to you soon.